Welcome to Preyo Promo, your go-to place for quick and practical tech tutorials. Need to add images to your PowerPoint fast without downloading files? In this tutorial, you'll learn the easiest way to copy images directly from Google into your slides. Step 1. Find and copy image from Google. Open your browser and search for the image you want using Google Images. Right-click on the image and select Copy Image to save it to your clipboard instantly. Step 2. Paste image into PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the image. Right-click on the slide and choose Paste, or simply press Ctrl+V to insert it quickly. Before we go deeper, click Subscribe and join thousands of tech enthusiasts mastering their digital tools. Step 3. Resize and position image. Click on the image and drag the corner handles to resize it without losing quality. Move it anywhere on the slide to perfectly align with your layout and design. And that's how you can quickly copy and paste images from Google into PowerPoint in seconds. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more smart and time-saving tech tutorials.